Today we're looking at titration calculations for GCSE and A-level as well, actually. So we're starting from a basic question, and the first thing we need to do is analyze the question. What is it asking us to do? So for each of the titration experiments described below, sketch, which is our keyword, a diagram to show which reagent is in the burette and which reagent is in the conical flask. Okay, nice and easy. Include in your diagram the concentration and volume of each reagent. So 1A, we have 25 centimeters cubed of sodium hydroxide, which is a base, and it has a concentration of 0.115 moles per dm cubed. It was transferred via pipette into a conical flask. What that tells us is the NaOH in this reaction is in the conical flask. The volume was 25 centimeters cubed, and the concentration 0.115 capital M molar, or mole per dm cubed. Continuing, hydrochloric acid. It's an unknown concentration. Was added from a burette. If you remember, the burette is our vertical piece of apparatus. The concentration is unknown. However, the volume, we have 12 centimeters cubed. 2 marks, one for either chemical. Question 2b. 25 centimeters cubed of sodium hydroxide with an unknown concentration this time was transferred via pipette into a conical flask. If we annotate on, NaOH is into the conical flask again. The volume, 25 centimeters cubed. Concentration is unknown. Hydrochloric acid with a concentration of 0.128 mole per dm cubed was added from a burette. So just as before, we have HCl being added from the burette. And we are adding 0.20 centimeters cubed. And the concentration of the acid this time is 0.128 moles per dm cubed. So you'll notice titrations allow us to work out an unknown of either the HCl or the sodium hydroxide. And it's important that you understand which one we are trying to calculate in each question. Finally, 16.85 centimeters cubed of sodium hydroxide with a concentration of 0.108 was needed to neutralize exactly 20 centimeters cubed of sulfuric acid with an unknown concentration. In this scenario, we can either add the unknown into the conical flask, and actually that is the best practice. So H2SO4, which is our unknown, the volume was 20 centimeters cubed exactly. The concentration we do not know. Up above we have NaOH. The volume 16.85 centimeters cubed. And the concentration is 0.108 moles per dm cubed. What you'll notice from all three examples is the unknown, we usually place the unknown into the conical flask, and it's best practice because we can accurately measure the volume using a graduated pipette.